Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this channel I'm going to be explaining how to log in into your CAC portal. In case you are having issue or difficulty entering into the portal, it's because the CAC portal was recently upgraded. So I'm going to be walking you through how you can get this problem solved in few minutes. Kindly watch if you're interested. So the first thing is to open your browser and type in the CAC URL, which is icrp.cac.gov.ng. You see a pop-up notification that shows you the steps to follow. You will see we have upgraded our multi-factor authentication MFA system to strengthen the security of your account. And if you notice this, before you only get the code via your email after inputting your login details, but now it has changed. Let's dive into the portal. So the instruction is: step 1, reset your password. Click the reset password link and follow the prompts to create a new password for your account. So you need to reset your password. That's the first step. So now we are going into that. I'm using the public user for this tutorial sake. So I try logging in with my normal password, my login details, and this is what it brings. So it's just telling us that you have to set up your account, which is to reset. So once you click on set up now, it will take you to where you are going to reset your password. So I'm just showing you this in case if this is what you are also getting on your phone. You click on set up now and it brings you to this forget password. So you log in your username and you click submit. A notification pop in: reset password email sent. So that means they've sent it into your email address. So I want to check my email so I can get the code. This is my email. So you click on the mail to see your code. So you copy out this code for your reset password. So you input the code at the section where they ask you to put the code, and you put your new password under new password. So once you do this, make sure that you put alphabet, capital letter. A pop-up says it must be 8 characters long and contain a number uppercase and lowercase. So once you do get this password right, so it says password reset successful. So that means you're done with that stage. So the second stage is to set up Google Authenticator. If you don't have this Google Authenticator on your phone, you can easily download it using either Apple Store or Google Play Store on your Android. So I want to log in using my new password, and once you do this correctly, it will log you in into the portal to the next step. So the next step is our Google Authenticator. So it says you should install it on your phone. So you need this QR code for the setup. It said open Google Authenticator on your phone, tap plus icon to add a new account and scan this QR code. I use the phone to scan the QR code, and you can either continue or you go to the Google Authenticator to continue the setup. Click continue and it will require you to type in the 6-digit code from the authenticator. So you go to your Google Store or your App Store and you type in Google Authenticator. Once you type it in, it will bring it out. Then you can download it. Once you are done downloading it, then you press open. So because I already have it on my phone, that's why it's display open. Different Gmail, but I'm clicking the Gmail that I use for the CAC portal, which is kikidigit@gmail.com. So start saving codes to this account. You click on allow. Then another notification pop in. Looks like there aren't any Google Authenticator code here yet. Then you click on add a code. At the phone where you have the code is beside you. So scan the code and it will bring the 6-digit code needed for the login. So you go back to the portal and you click continue. So you're going to enter this 6-digit code. So anytime you want to log in into your CAC portal, you get the code from Google Authenticator before you can access your portal. So you copy and paste the 6-digit code from your Authenticator app, and once you do that, your account is now protected. Hey! 2-step verification is active. So every sign-in requires your password plus a code from your Authenticator app. So you continue to dashboard back to your portal. Ooh. So you can do any activities you want. You're back to your portal. So I'm gonna log out now so you can be able to see how to log in into the portal. So I'll click on email and I'll put in my details, my username and my password, and I'll click on login, and it will require me to put in my 6-digit code from Authenticator app. So this is my Authenticator app, and I'll copy and paste the codes. So now I'm back to the portal. So this is made easy. Thank you for watching. You can turn on your notification bell for more videos.